Hello everyone, welcome. I'm Meha, and in this video I'm going to share a few skincare and makeup products that I've repurchased over the past few months, years and so on. Let's start with skincare. Okay, this is probably one of the most important steps in skincare, a sunscreen. This is from Requil. It's their oxybenzone and OMC free sunscreen. It says it has an ultra light matte finish. It doesn't. It has like a very dewy finish, at least on my dry skin, that's what I feel like. And it says it's for sensitive, oily and acne prone skin, which is confusing because for me this is kind of like pretty heavy on the skin. At least in the dry climate this was perfect for my skin. It hydrated it and it gave me a dewy finish, but now that I'm in a hot and humid climate, this is a little bit, extra for me. I feel like it makes me sweat profusely under a mask, so I'm looking for other sunscreen alternatives. If you have any suggestions, leave them in the comments down below. I've seen sunscreens by Minimalist, Aqualogica, so many brands coming out with sunscreen now, and I really want to try them. But this is my third tube and this is actually pretty good, so if you're looking to try this, I think give it a go. Next product is from Garnier. It's their Micellar water. I have been repurchasing this for years now because this is a very easy formula to use. You just need a cotton pad, put it on it and then just wipe your face off with it. But I feel like this doesn't remove waterproof mascara really well, so I use a cleansing balm to take those off. But apart from that, your daily makeup can easily go with this. But I feel like it does sting the eye a little bit, so if you have any suggestions for micellar water or anything, let me know in the comments down below. And I have actually bought a cleansing oil. I'm excited to see how that works for me. I've started using it. I like it so far, but I have to really try it and then I'll let you guys know. Next product is like a debate going on. It's an eye cream from Quench Botanics. It's their Mama Sika Dark Circle Fading Under Eye Cream. Whether an eye cream works or not is a whole debate for another video, but I really like this one. It hydrates my under eyes. It's not like sticky or anything, and it's not heavy. It's kind of like the perfect consistency. It like gets absorbed into the skin very fast and keeps my under eyes hydrated. I also like the applicator of this. It's like it has 3 roller balls and it's just very easy to use, travel friendly. This is my second tube and I really like it. Also, this is like a Korean skincare brand in India and it retails for 499 rupees for 15 ml of product. I think it's a really good quantity for the price that you're getting, and the ingredients are really good. So I think you should check this out. I really like it. So let me know in the comments what you think about this. Moving on to makeup. Okay, for makeup, this is the first one I have. This is the Nikah Skin Genius Sculpting and Hydrating Foundation. This is a dewy foundation, and for my dry skin, this works so well. And this it perfectly matches me. I'm in the shade 03 Warm Sand. You can find the links to all the products in the description box. Okay, check them out. So why I repurchased this is because the first one I bought expired, and this is the second one. And this has also expired, and will I be repurchasing this? I don't know, because I have other lots of different foundations to finish. So once I get over with that, I will definitely pick this one up because this was my first foundation and it's the best one. I'll just tell you, for my dry skin, I really love it. And if you have any recommendations for me, let me know in the comments down below. So absolutely love this foundation. Have you tried this? Let me know. Next one is an eyeliner from Lakme. It's completely lost its print because I've used it so many times. This and the Color Bar one that looks similar to this, that comes in a black packaging with a copper handle. I love that one too. This one's this has like a thick applicator and you have to shake it before you use it, but I really like it for everyday wear, for office and college. This was perfect. This is like my third tube, and the Color Bar one, I've used it twice. I also love that one. These eyeliners are one of my favorite types of eyeliners, so I absolutely love this one. Have you tried this one? Plum has come out with a new one similar to this and I'm testing that out. Let me know if you want to know a full-blown review for that. Let me know in the comments down below. And also, if you're not following me on Instagram, my handle is @nerdovermakeup, so look me up over there and send a hi. Come say hi to me. Next product is Maybelline's Fashion Brow Cream Pencil. I have been using this since college, okay? This is my second one, and this is like a very like foolproof eyebrow pencil. This one is in the shade grey, I think. I'll leave that. Like the print is gone. But yeah, this one is pretty much very beginner friendly, under rupees 250. And like if you're on a budget and you want like a nice eyebrow pencil, go for this one. They also have a dark brown version of this. I prefer grayish tones for my eyebrows. I don't like brown brows. That's just my preference. But yeah, this one is truly great for beginners, for absolute beginners. So yeah, I think you'll definitely like it. And I have one more. It's like a bonus. I added it at last minute. This is from RM Beauty. It's their Dew Stick highlighter. I wouldn't say this is a repurchase, but I bought the first shade in the shade Golden Hour. I love that so much, and they had a sale going on, 50% off, so I bought another shade, and this is called Dunescape, and it's like a bronzing shade for me, and it looks so good on my skin tone. So yeah, if you're anywhere near Maybelline 230 or like Nikah Skin Genius in the shade Warm Sand, this would be a really good bronzing shade for you. These are like highlighter sticks that come in a cream form. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Of course on the face it doesn't look so stark, but yeah, it's really good. I hope you found this video helpful and you had a little bit of fun. Let me know in the comments down below what you think, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.